Hi friends, in this video I will be unboxing and showing how to use mesh laundry clothes washing bag. Now you are seeing 5 bags. All these 5 bags have zipper lock. Size of all these 5 bags are different. We can use these bags to wash inner wear and undergarments. We can use these bags in fully and semi-automatic front and top load washing machines. We can also use these bags for packing clothes during the travel. This smaller bag, this is a bra wash bag. These bags protects your washing machine as well. As I said, 5 bags, one large bag, one medium, and 3 small bags. Large bag we can use to wash jackets and sweaters. Then the medium one we can use to wash shirts and t-shirts. Then the small one we can use to wash baby clothes. Then the smaller one we can use to wash undergarments. Then the smallest one, that is for bra and panty. Then socks also we can use. So these are the 5 bags. So please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.